and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Pope Francis arrives in Singapore for historic visit. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister transferred to New Delhi for further treatment. Khasi Author Society celebrates 45th Literary Day in Shillong. And Manipur wins Subrata Cup Under 17 after a dramatic final. And now the news in detail. Pope Francis arrived in Singapore on September 11th, marking the second visit by a pope to the city-state. After departing from Delhi, East Timor at 11:20 a.m. and landing at Changi Airport at 2:50 p.m., he was greeted by a jubilant crowd of over 1,000 Singaporean Catholics. The faithful, clad in red and waving Vatican flags, welcomed him with cheers of "Viva, Viva, Pope Francis." Upon his arrival at St. Saviour's Retreat Centre in Punggol, Pope Francis was warmly welcomed by Culture, Community and Youth Minister Edwin Tong, Singapore's ambassador to the Vatican Janet Ang, Archbishop William Goh and other dignitaries. A colourful welcome ceremony featured children in holy colours performing dances. During his visit, Pope Francis will meet President Tharman Shanmugatnam, Prime Minister and Finance Minister at the Legislative Assembly. He will also engage with the community at the National University of Singapore and the Universal Cultural Centre and celebrate a Holy Mass at the National Stadium with over 50,000 participants. On September 13, he will hold interfaith meetings before returning to the Vatican. Prestone Tensong, Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, has been transferred to New Delhi for advanced medical treatment following his recovery from initial care at Nazareth Hospital, Shillong. The specific name of the hospital in New Delhi where he is receiving treatment has not yet been disclosed. In response to the news, Bakit Borlang Nongrem, President of the National People's Youth Front, has called on members and the people of Meghalaya to offer their prayers to Tensong's swift recovery. The transfer aims to ensure that Tensong receives the best possible care from modern medical experts.
Idon hangni na kamta kajing yo jing tip jong ki babon it khot jongi na kalem sodong jong kachalam Meghalaya ki bala phone ro sna ko state president ban wat ya kajing tip ya kajing long jing man ka kot ya khya jong state president badon borom jongi wadi ro ju por Deputy Chief Minister jong kachalam sor Prestone Tensong te hot kumbala yo I lemba ki lat pathai Khubor bat na kaliang jong haru ngawat jing tip lemba ki bhai ngasem Kisukben menyetu hamni nak ta jing tip jong baro lang ba ka kot ka khya jong isar Prestone kumalang mentahi ila kham yo bor shu te nakaliam jungi habang idon hakane han Khubor let na ha ka kerteng jong ka youth front bat ka party hi ngin ai su ya khubor kitbok kityang na kamta I sar pustun ba ijungin ba inang yo ya kemet ka bakot bakya ka ba pura hakin kisni ki ba dangwan kata kadai ka ba khmat bat kumba hakin ki khnget sni na do bang la yo jing tip ya ka jing bom shat jong iha kamet na keleng ki unit ba na keleng ki jaka haki yeng ki sem ki jungi ngia pendam jar ld nam taban bu ki jing dua ya bakarpang ya isar pustun upading nongilam jungi bat kum juru ya ka yeng ka sem jong I bar ka wen bat kata kadai ka benta ka ba na keleng jungi ngia don lang ha ka pang ki stom bat ha ka ba kum ka ka por kata kadai ka ba na keleng junga na ka benta jong parok ki khot jong ka National People's Party ka do man pha ya ka khubor na ka benta.
On September 11, 2024, the Khasi Authors Society KAS marked its 45th Literary Day at Sankardev College, Shillong. The event honored students who excelled in Khasi, awarding prizes across various grades to encourage academic achievement. Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon, MP for Shillong, served as the chief guest. The ceremony was attended by KAS President Professor Dr. L. Nonglan, Sankardev College Principal Eureka F. Lingdo, KAS office bearers and students from local colleges. Dr. Singkon praised KAS's contributions, emphasizing the importance of language in fostering national identity, cultural promotion and human connections. The celebration also featured the launch of new books by KAS members, highlighting the society's ongoing commitment to literature and cultural preservation. The event underscored the organization's role in advancing the Khasi language and literary tradition.
Yang culture kejauhi. Dari aktif, kalau punya muncul makna, kawan mahu ia kajian dari apa dari di para beliau, kap nukam apa dari jompi jomah, kiwana kami berbagi tu beliau. Nak tentu nolai asing, apa kajian lalu, jogi Dr. Diar yang nolai, macam kita nolkin kamu. Joga sing, shisha, maror, ini sekilan, kita boleh shitong, apa pai, sekitar roy, joga literature, sekitar roy yang joga poetry, drama, kita fiction, fiction, nanta, kebisarnya, ke teori, ke history, apa kiwe ini, berburu, kita lihat, mereka suka orang dan don pat shibun kibai kibaran walanon kibaran sakshla bat kiba gom author society bat kuntu ini bawa kibadon boleh dan jengkit kli ya kawan dan hak banyak dan mix hakaban akan tiu ya kan dia bien kejuni gom hakalian jongka science and technology kalian jom kuat kakia, kalian dawai leadership, yok kuat pun tatakan. Bakte hawa jo kali opang pamasol, bak kajing virgin mut, bak kajing wat benda, jom ki para nongika ki bahas suku ki bahas syukur dulu, ndai ki nongika khasi ndai kiwe discipline kiwe dalam hamil,
In a thrilling conclusion to the Subroto Cup Under-17 Boys Tournament, Manipur emerged victorious over Meghalaya with a 5-4 win, capturing the title for Imphal. The match held at New Delhi Stadium was intensely competitive throughout. Meghalaya had several opportunities to secure the win but failed to convert them, with a crucial penalty shootout deciding the outcome. The game took a dramatic turn during the penalty shootout when Meghalaya's penalty shooter missed the goal in sudden death, leading to their suspension and ultimately their defeat. In a surprising twist, Meghalaya players missed 4 penalty shots or were stopped by the goalkeeper. Despite their best efforts, Meghalaya's inability to capitalize on key chances allowed Manipur to clinch the Subroto Cup.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep applauding for our runners-up team.
Kung sabi ti nadap na kajing keman kajing ero kilbon ba tili bala ile ha ada state level ban ko shiru ska thong bin banarung shi da international football tournament su to ne ko Delhi bertinju Bangalore nadap na kajing keman adu ata ba nadu kemat museum na la ain kajing ka school like tili but Khubor tidak ile kai baru ne sports Delhi baca Bangalore kunju Samla Bangalore में नियो आवाज़ है ना लाडू कि कंधे रुका लगा था वहाँ तो कि लियन नो क्वार्टर फाइनल्स ये कि रुका ये रो परफॉर्म लगा जो कि हमारे के टूर्नामेंट कुंजूरू ये का mungkin menterasi bahwa kajing laka idan berjob program abdan balak dan rung terkul berkata mereka liasi gabok juga kasih duna Samla Shillong itu sampai kumai ikan game tak sekitar nak buat ikan bahagia kena nilai bukan di jenis sudah bukan bagi chances berlames game sudah kita bakla berjumlah jadi nahapan ai kublai buat ya bodoh lagi di sekolah bala posisi da international football tournament bala bala Bangalore pada Delhi berkunjung ai kublai apa di sekolah kibala support should ham ya bodoh lagi di sekolah kunjuru ngidang kerja pat number 1 pat dengan defend pat ya title juni ke state level kunjuru bangnya wan hajang sini ka lupung dengan usang menyo pat itu akan ni age group under 17 berkunjuru.
On 11th of September 2024, Nongpo Police Station, in collaboration with the Nongpo Regional Auto Owners and Drivers Association and local village authorities, conducted an inspection and reorganization of parking facilities for commercial and private vehicles. This initiative aims to address severe road congestions affecting residents, particularly school children. Under the new regulations, commercial autos must park at least 5 meters from the road on both sides of Mauro Nongpo Road. Similarly, autos and private vehicles must maintain a 5-meter distance from the road on Dongsajer Nongpo Road. Private vehicles are prohibited from parking in commercial vehicle spaces and vice versa. To further manage traffic flow and reduce jams, especially in market areas, new traffic rules will be enforced, including one-way and no-entry zones along the service lane. The public is urged to comply with these measures for improved road order and safety.
Ini badi ini ka parking la bukan di Jerman gitu.
Kali kalau beli bak salong me kacing pam kitya jong kinong yang auto astana jong kim yang liang chatrok de kene kom ngalong yu to abalai stan kim jumrong stana jong kim yang de ne kene kalong to saya mon kini ki bab de beniang at least kisah kene da ki buram nak stu de ga bagi jak po ane stan da de beniang maki bagi mailat beniang kuai cuba benda ku maju we jaka pi ba ki ini kali perbet ha jaka jong ki semua jaka ji lokal taksi jaka jong auto kim don hok beniang tang bala bek Lai pembek hang no kita de beniang hok taksi ki don lagi jong stan ki de beniang stan jong auto de stan jong ki private kene bangkan private kila beniang chai we jaka ki private kim don jaka hang no taksi hang ne na tai ya ane ni kesan goniang kam jam ke auto puse ki ya private ke ngap boga private lapulin nado alfa hado nongpo pon kamot kanon tri kamot kane nado step hado menmit bagi skoti kimla paniai ki auto melam ni ki semua melam ni kino kali kimla ni kalau Shillong mai tang one way na nongpo pon sang hamsim pon kila ban ya nei banwan na alfa chanong po pon sobha what nam ya bat subha what nam rung bat subha what king ya kanon tri kumba katon komiti ka pembek kumba ka nongpo darbar strong ka pembek to pungu bat but yaki kai bakila bo nang ba banlat baniada na mata ka jing blok na mata ka jing jenjar jong kinong lek nyangwan lara pi blok katno kalong ka ba deko bat kalong ka kadon ka jing na mata ban lek dah kini kali kepada hok banlek bankit nongpang bankit chor bankit kino kecing don kam niki tiasa kabar kanon tri kalong komne kanon tri kabar kalong from State Bank of India to Hamsim Junction kamut nang ni nanong po pon chado Hamsim Sersilin kamut kabacha mingi kanir kadai non tri kanir kalong brochisi ba pimla bandrung hagini Sersilin Ini kajuk sakaba non-tri kebalai kini na from nang po stand sumo kamut kabadai nang ni saduk petrol pump kamut kini brosi ki skoti ki ba ter ki kali ki na bandrung sobha ya bot nanti ya kini ke bangi la keren bangi atai sai nang ma pin sutu ya bin tep kalau yo ki ang sai si pin wa daw yang kulit badai pek yang ni bagi bang silang ni ngam tep wa sobha tum kita ngitin mau kata itu, waduam bampit nila pensai kenang itu, so le bat buk ekne, bang nila pensai, pada ikim tak kasi. Hanon tri kabasau, kebut nadisi junction, hadu nongpo point, kanil ada non tri, kanil badmit pasti. Te subha ba kini ibadan kali, kuti bat ter semua, baru kali kinumla baniak nadu.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.